Disney cruises have come to Australia and New Zealand, and although I've never gone on a cruise before in my life, my friends and I booked a 4-night trip from Melbourne to Hobart and back again, because why the hell not? And here's everything I'm taking with me. At first I was thinking, if I can do 8 weeks traveling around Europe with nothing more than this little carry-on suitcase and this backpack, surely I can do 4 nights on a cruise with just my backpack, right? But I was talking to my friends and they were like, you know that although it's gonna be warm in Melbourne, it's gonna be a different story out on the ocean. It's gonna be quite cold and we're heading further down south, closer to Antarctica, so I'm gonna have to account for bringing some warmer clothes. So I laid out everything that I'm bringing with me, and I don't think I'm gonna have the space. So it looks like I'm bringing my suitcase after all. On the plus side though, it's gonna be a lot easier to access everything in my suitcase. I can just fold it open and use my packing organizers, as opposed to stacking everything on top of each other and cramming it into my backpack. So now we're gonna go through everything that I'm packing, and I'm gonna break it down into 3 categories: clothes and accessories, toiletries, and tech. And then we're gonna see how it all fits. And of course, I'll be trying to pack as minimally as I can, and sort of a capsule wardrobe, but I don't feel there's enough outfit variations to really warrant a capsule wardrobe. So on the day of departure, you drop off your main luggage, but they can take a couple of hours before they drop it to your room, so they encourage you to bring a day bag with bathers, medication, things like that. So I'll also go over what I'm packing in my suitcase and what I'm packing in my day bag, being my backpack. Also important to know for packing context, on the ship there is at least 1 gym and there are multiple pools. The good thing about a cruise too is that so much is included. Like, they will have towels there for us, so I don't need to worry about packing a towel. There are salad bars and snack bars, so I don't need to worry about bringing any extra snacks because all the food is included. So to start off, clothes and accessories, I'll be bringing my gym singlet and gym shorts, pajamas, these purple Speedo board shorts, this Mickey Mouse singlet and Mickey Mouse tee, which I got on a trip to Disney World in 2014 with almost all the same friends, an alternate t-shirt, a hoodie, these black pants from Zara, these Gymshark trackies, 4 pairs of undies and socks, plus the ones that I will be wearing on the day. My dad got me these Mickey Mouse socks for Christmas, and I haven't opened them yet, but now seems like the perfect time. A beanie, my gym towel, sunglasses. Fun fact, these sunglasses didn't actually go on the cruise. I broke those sunglasses, so these are replacements, and that is why I'm not allowed to buy expensive ones. My Camelback leak-proof water bottle, which I left behind on my Europe trip, but I won't leave behind this time. My wallet, including my driver's license, because you need some form of citizenship documentation. And my Birks. And finally, on departure day, I'll be wearing this cap, this grey t-shirt, these casual shorts, my Nike Infinity Run 2s, and of course, the first pair of undies and socks. For tech, I will be bringing my iPad, my Snap Universal Power Bank, which in this situation very conveniently comes with a built-in American wall socket plug, because I'm pretty sure, but not 100%, that the ships come with American plugs because they're American ships just brought over to Australia. This comes with a built-in USB-C charger, but I'll also bring an extra USB-C to USB-C cord. My AirPods Pro Generation 2, which are going to be incredibly handy because I'm sharing a room with 3 of my friends. I'm an incredibly light sleeper, and 1 or 2 of them might be snorers. And of course my iPhone, which I'm currently filming this on. In terms of toiletries, I'm going to bring my toothbrush, toothpaste, medication, very importantly, motion sickness tablets, Panadol and ibuprofen, band-aids, moisturizer, sunscreen, shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. So, let's see how it all fits. So the day bag / backpack is going to be iPad, bathers, change of undies just in case, gym shorts and gym singlet, water bottle, AirPods, deodorant, inhaler, and hand sanitizer, power bank, an extra USB-C cord, and the sunglasses. And I remembered at the end, my gym towel. Which means the suitcase, Birks, undies, socks, pajamas, extra tee, and Mickey Mouse singlet. And on this side, pants, tracksuit pants, jumper, beanie, toothbrush, other toiletries. And we're done. Backpack and suitcase, both quite light. Easy done. Now this is the part in the video where we flash forward to after the cruise and see if everything went to plan or if there's anything that I would change. How was that cruise, future Alex? It was great, past Alex. Thanks for asking. Pretty much everything that I packed in this video I ended up using. I did end up packing my GoPro and my recording microphone, but in the end I didn't end up using either of them. I just found it was a whole lot easier because I was constantly recording things throughout the day. Just quickly pulling my phone out of my pocket and hitting record was a lot easier than carrying the microphone or the GoPro around the ship with me. I am really glad that I did bring some warmer clothes because there were a few things that happened on deck at nighttime, such as shows or fireworks displays, and it got really windy and really quite cold. So if you were going on a similar cruise, I definitely recommend packing a jacket, some long pants, because it did get really cold at times. But yeah, overall, it was a great time. We had a lot of fun. If you'd like to see more specifically about what it's like to go on a Disney cruise, I made 2 videos about our experience on the Disney Wonder, and I've linked them down below. Click on the face to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments, thumb the video if you want to, and I'll see you next time. Bye.